Big news out of Blythewood, South Carolina this morning, as ScoutMotors officially breaks ground on its new $2 billion production center.
Launched in 2022, ScoutMotors is reimagining the next generation of the iconic All-American Scout.
Seeing a vehicle made here in Blythewood, made here in our hometown, I think that's going to be exciting.
The production center will span over 3 million square feet.
This is a partnership between ScoutMotors and the town of Blythewood.
It's estimated that ScoutMotors' investment in South Carolina will bring over 4,000 job opportunities to the region.
I think it's an amazing opportunity for all.
It's going to have a huge impact on this area.
I just can't help but wonder how they're going to get this thing built in time for production to start.
It is the dream of manufacturing iconic vehicles right here in South Carolina. The dream of breathing new life into the Scout brand. 1,600 acres total, 1,100 acres under development, 26 million cubic yards of earth moving, over 44,000 tons of steel, the equivalent of 6 Eiffel Towers. It's one of the largest earth-moving projects in the Southeast.
A lot of sites, they start out much smaller than this and then they grow over the years. We're trying to do it all at once. It comes with a lot of challenges. That requires a big team, lots of experience, and lots of energy and passion for this project.
It's the dream of creating not just a plant, but a community and a culture built from the ground up. Plant engineering within Scout, we manage, we plan, we integrate everything that you see here on site in Blythewood. An automotive car plant starts with a body shop, and from the body shop into a paint shop, and then into an assembly. So these 3 main buildings, this is the task for us here.
Construction is a rapidly changing environment. There have been some challenges, of course, the weather.
It's been record rainfall this year. We got hit by 2 hurricanes last year, including a particularly nasty one, Hurricane Helene.
Hurricane Helene makes landfall as a Category 4 storm, triggering massive flooding across the Carolinas.
There are times where we have to assess whether or not we're gonna shut down the site, if it's even safe for people to work.
The market is always shifting, and we have to adapt quickly to meet customer demands. In 2024, this company makes the correct decision to integrate a range extender. For us, from a construction standpoint, drama, so to speak, because this is taking steel beams that are already installed and move it somewhere else. We have such a compressed timeline in order to get our vehicles into production. The stakes are so high in a project of that importance, especially to Scout, we have to stay laser focused. But with our team and by really good planning, we managed to stay in time. We're not just building a traditional car manufacturing plants with no innovation here. This is the first electric paint shop in the United States. Nearly no more usage of gas. Another innovation is the use of the first industrial-scale heat pump in North America, using air as a heat source. So the equivalence of gas we save by choosing the heat pumps, 1.2 million trees. That's what we save per year.
We're really working together as a group to build things from the ground up, whether that be policies, programs, trainings. We get to be innovative, so we get to take pride in the safety culture that we're building. We're able to look in the community and see what other benefits will our employees need in the future.
When I zoom out at the end of the day and I provide myself again with context and realize how special it is to be a part of a project from groundbreaking all the way to start of production, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Of course, that's not a 9-to-5 job. So there's a lot of 12 and 14-hour days. I don't see nobody complaining because they believe in the product eventually, and everybody here wants to get their job done.
My hope is that this site is going to be more than just a production site. It is going to promote growth in our community, but also that people who live in South Carolina can take pride that these new innovative vehicles were built right here in South Carolina.
Scout once inspired many and left its mark on the world. Today it's on us to carry that spirit forward, honoring the past while building something that will inspire generations to come. I would imagine if I see the first Scout on I-77 driving by, the sense of pride that you have would be pretty amazing.
I wake up every morning hoping you come to me.